Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Nurhanani binti Ibrahim.
My name is Nur Syabira binti Mahamud.
My name is Muhammad Syafiq Beroslan.
My name is Reti binti Samsuddin.
My name is Dato' Adhadira binti Ibrahim.
And we are from Group 7.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will present about shipping economy at MISC. Shipping is an important activity for the world economy and is the cheapest form of transportation compared to land and air. The shipping sector provides economy of scale generated by large-scale trading vessels that allow for large amount of trade to be carried over long distance. Based on the shape of Malaysia surrounded by strait and ocean, it's no wonder that the shipping sector is a major mode of transportation to the country. Introduction of MISC. MISC was established in 1968 as Malaysia International Shipping Corporation Berhad. MISC is also one of Malaysia's leading international shipping company in the past and present. On September 2005, Malaysia International Shipping Corporation Berhad used its current corporate identity and changed its name to MISC Berhad. Its main shareholder is Petroleum Nasional Berhad. Its main Petronas. The corporation main business consists of the ship operation, shipping activity and others. MISC also own and operate overseas routine facilities and marine repair, marine conversion and engineering contraction works.
Now I am going to discuss about current industry development. Current industry development in maritime industry was decreased and increased. In 2018, industry development slowed down. This is because internal and external factors. While 2019 development of maritime industry as it offered more hope of implementing plans to revive the industry. For example, shipping economy at MISC has recorded net profit in the 3-month period ended March 31, 2019, increased 64% to 510.5 thousand ringgit compared to 310.6 thousand ringgit a year. After that, shipping economy rebuilt through 2 new LNG carriers joined MISC fleet, providing the segment with a source of income growth. Next, petroleum tanker earning MISC are expected to turn downward. This is because oversupply, seasonal factors, and oil supply cuts. And lastly, MISC also expects better prospects for its tanker business. In 2019, unearned tighter vessel market amount rising oil exports from the US. The energy-based logistic group expect a pick-up in the tanker market as ship supply will be crimped by vessels taken out of service for scrubber retrofit.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Syafiq Beroslan. Now I'm gonna discuss about economic performance for MISC company. If you know, this graph shows gross profits from 2014 until 2018 for the company. Okay, right now you can see the graph on 2014 until 2015. The graph is the profit for the company is going up, increase. But from 2015 until 2016, they had decreased. 17, 2018, the profit margin is going down again. Okay, this giving a bad reputation to the company because the income of the profit of the company is unstable. This is going to impact the cash flow of the company. For example, if IMSC shows this kind of finance profit to the shareholder, maybe the shareholder will go away or change the company to invest. For example, if a company showing a positive rate of profit, maybe shows that a company is going on a good track. So more investors will invest to the company.
One of the issue that related to MISC shipping industry is the pollution. As we know, shipping industry produces many of pollution. But for this time, I want to explain about the air pollution they face in the MISC shipping industry. Air pollution contains many of emission. As we know, the emission is the bed of the particle can harm the surrounding and also the environment. Air pollution also can impact the maritime life and also the environment. Air pollution contains sulfur dioxide and the nitrogen dioxide can convert to the fine particles. This particle can get into the lung while breathing or smell. This can cause the heart and lung failure. Potential to solve the air pollution issue by using the low sulfur fuel. This can reduce our emission. As we know, ship nowadays use the conventional fuel that produce more emission to our air. It can reduce the emission, but while using the low sulfur fuel, we can control our emission in our air. It also can make engine run smoother and less operating problem. Other issue to reduce the emission is MISC can build the other vessel use a dual fuel methanol engine. This engine can run by two types of fuel. The first fuel is use the conventional fuel and the methanol. As we know, while using the methanol, we can also reduce the emission.
Other issue that related to the industry is about the LNG services. About the recent issue, which is by Petroleum Nasional Berhad Petronas to get a liquefied natural gas tanker from another company instead of using from MISC shipping company. This is because MISC shipping company facing a financial risk in the industry, which means the profit in the company slowly decrease from time to time because Petronas didn't use the service that provided by MISC. The factor that Petronas didn't use the LNG of MISC is because of the transport cost. So from that, we know that Petronas want to reduce cost from getting the service from MISC. Petronas had reported that it had chosen to source its LNG vessels straightforwardly from shipbuilders, moving from its act of utilizing its 63% and claim MISC as the fundamental provider of such vessel. This was a piece of the procedure to improve the estimation of its LNG business necessity at the most reduced cost. MISC has been battling with moves identified with a lot of variables, including a worldwide oversupply of vessels, which has driven tankers' rate to absolute bottom levels and affected MISC income. So Petronas' strategy is to expand its LNG fleet, might signal another attempt to take MISC private.